Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to family vlog. Today we will show you how to make momos. So here you can see these are some chickens. We had cut them into small pieces, and here we will add pieces, and then we will add garlic and ginger, as you can see. Using this ingredient you can make momo easily at your home. And then here we will add chili, and then we will add onion leaves, and we will add chili powder, black pepper and salt according to your taste. And then you need to mix them properly. Then we will add oil, and then we will make a dough, as you can see, and then we will cut them in like into a small circle using any circle object like this, as you can see. And then with those fillings that we had made, and you can give it any shape like this. We need to make the momo, as you can see, and then take any like this hole so that the steam can pass through, and then you need to brush it with oil so that when we place this momo it does not get stuck to this. So we'll momo over it, and then we will, like in the steam, we will cook it. So like this it will turn out. If you steam it further, it will turn out like this. Now you can see it will not get stuck to anything. So this is after we have steamed this momos. Now you can add like soy sauce and have it. It's actually delicious, and you need to try it with saucy. So if you like watching our video, please subscribe in family vlog, like others, and thank you very much for watching our video.